DIY Auto Repair.
Alright guys, and we are back. I apologize for the lapse in my videos. We've been really busy and took a little vacation, but we are back now, guys. So we're going to start out with some more Harbor Freight coupons. So these are going to be the hot summer coupons, available Thursday, July 25th through Sunday, August 4th. So you guys still have a little bit of time to go ahead and take advantage of these coupons. So before we get into it, like always, we're only going to touch on stuff that we've had some experience with, or maybe that we've heard some good or bad things about. If I don't talk about something that you guys would like everybody else to know, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. So without further ado, I've made you guys wait long enough, so let's get to it. So we're going to start off with some air tools and compressors. If you're new to the channel, I don't really touch air equipment. So I have heard that the McGraws are really good air compressors. That's just what I've heard, but don't have any experience with it. Moving into automotive, we have a 450-pound low lift transmission jack. Original price is $124.99. It's on sale for $94.99. Not a bad deal. Here we have some WD-40. Original price is $10.99. It's on sale right now for $7.99. It's not a bad deal for some WD-40. Here we have Icon. It's a heavy-duty commercial truck U-joint puller. Original price is $109.99. It's on sale right now for $84.99. That's pretty cool. If anybody's got some good or bad experiences with that, please put it in the comment section below. Icon is really up in their game and putting a lot of new products out, so that's good. Moving on, we have a deluxe paintless dent repair kit by Maddox. Original price is $144.99. It's on sale for $99.99. I'm not a body shop guy, but anybody got some good or bad experiences with that, please put it in the comment section below. That would be interesting to see. I've seen this quite a bit at Harbor Freight, but like I said, I'm not really a body repair guy, so it's not in my realm. Moving on, we got some jacks. I've talked about these a lot, the Daytona jacks. Phenomenal jacks. This is going to be your 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump in green. They also have a couple of different other colors. Original price is $239.99. It's on sale right now for $179.99. And I can't express it enough, guys. Really great jacks. Highly recommend those. If you're going to spend the money, I would say go for the Daytona jacks. Next, we got these Hall Masters. We've touched on this before as well. These 400-pound capacity ratcheting tie downs. Original price is $11.99. They're on sale for $7.99. It's always good to have these, especially if you're towing, hauling stuff, or just trying to keep stuff covered. Those definitely come in handy. Moving on to generators and plumbing. Not much there. Some hand tools. The only thing we've had this before. It's a Quinn 3/4 inch drive 150 to 750 pound digital torque adapter. Honestly, this thing is I never really used it. I purchased it, used it maybe a handful of times. Not a bad thing to have, especially if you don't have a torque wrench. This would come in handy. Pretty cool little device. Original price is $69.99. It's on sale for $59.99. So you just attach that to a regular socket wrench, and then you can put the torque on it. It's a little bulky, but if you don't need to get into a tight spot, it definitely does the job. Moving on to lighting and specialty. We've talked about these zip ties before. Can't have enough zip ties. Same with the batteries. Never can have too many batteries. So you got your AA, AAA 24 pack. Original price is $349. It's on sale right now for $2.29, so that's not a bad deal. Moving on, we've talked bad about this light before. I still stand by it. I do not recommend this light. It's a Braun 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. Original price is $29.99. It's on sale right now for $23.99, but I highly recommend you stay away from it. If you're gonna look at the slim folding lights like this, I would definitely go with the Icon. I so far have not had any trouble with the Icon lights, so yeah, I can't say enough bad things about this Braun light. 3 out of 3 don't work. There's something wrong there, right? So moving on to material handling and safety. Not much to speak on here except for this Hallmaster 18-inch step stool working platform. Original price $39.99. It's on sale right now for $29.99. This thing has been phenomenal. I've been using this quite a bit, pretty much all the time, whether I'm doing some engine detailing or working on the engine of a SUV or whatever it may be, to stand on this to give me a little extra boost to get up farther in the engine bay. It's foldable, compact, lightweight, great little step stool. Moving on to the outdoor. Not much for us there. Going into power tools, got some Bauer tools on sale right now. Not much here for us except for these titanium drill bit sets. Original price is $19.99. They're on sale right now for $9.99. These usually go on sale quite often. I would definitely not pay full price for these unless you absolutely had to. They're nothing special. They get the job done, but don't expect too much out of them. A lot of Bauer stuff on sale right now. Moving on to the shop in the garage. Here's an adjustable shop stool with the backrest, on sale right now for $54.99. Its original price is $74.99. Don't have any experience with the Pittsburgh adjustable shop stool, but it looks pretty cool. Anybody got any good or bad things to say about it? Put it in the comment section below. It's not a bad price for that. Moving on, we have a 2-ton by Pittsburgh, 2-ton capacity folding shop crane. Original price is $369.99. It's on sale right now for $339.99. I have a 2-ton Pittsburgh folding shop crane similar to this one. It's a little bit different. Mine is the gray version. I don't know if maybe mine's the older version, but really nice crane. Definitely comes in handy. Pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. I like the fact that it folds up and it will come out of your way. At least the one I have, the legs will fold up and the crane part here will fold down. So it does give you some room to store it. Not a bad deal. Moving on to storage. We've talked about these metal ammo cans. It's a metal 50 caliber ammo can. Original price is $16.99. They're on sale right now for $12.99. These things are phenomenal. They come in handy for anything you could possibly think of. If you want to store some tools, some nuts or bolts, some ammo, anything you could think of to put in there, magazines, baseball cards, you name it. You can put anything in here, and these do a great job of protecting your whatever you want to put in there from the environment. Really great ammo cans, and for $12.99 you're not going to get this any cheaper anywhere else. So moving on. Welding and machinery. We don't do too much welding, so not much for here. Sorry if I'm skipping over things you guys want to know about. And that's it, guys. So that is your summer hot coupons for this summer. So again, guys, I apologize. Took some time off. I'm back. I'm hopefully going to have some repair videos coming up soon. But until then, we're going to keep on with the Harbor Freight savings. We're going to try to incorporate some more Home Depot. And we're going to try to get back on our discussion topics. We're going to really try to get back into it. So just bear with me. I appreciate all of my subscribers and all my future subscribers. So thank you for bearing with me. And we're going to be getting back into this. So anyway, guys, there's your savings. Hopefully you guys take advantage of these savings. And if you guys do, make sure to put it in the comment section below. So anyway, guys, hope you liked this video. And as always, if you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more information on videos and DIY projects. Until next time, guys, have a good one.